Hey, this is Sarah from sarahdesign.com, and I just released a video about this tumbler and then immediately afterwards made an update to the file, so I wanted to show that to you because it's pretty cool. I know that some of you will mask off the very bottom of your stainless steel tumbler, leaving it the original stainless steel color and just have the glitter or the effects above that. So I added a layer just for that. And I just wanted to show you where that is in here so you aren't surprised when you see it. So if you go into the layers palette and you're looking through here, this folder is the whole tumbler and the stainless steel base is sitting on the layer just above that. So that's where that is. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, it works with glitter or without. And also I went in and, if I turn that off for a sec, I saved out a version of the tumbler with just the stainless steel color. So that is in here in all these color options. I have one called stainless. If you turn that on, we're just going to turn the glitter off so you can see. That's what that looks like. And you could leave the stainless base on too. It just makes it a little bit lighter, which is kind of a nice effect. And you could also turn on the glitter if you want. But I wanted you to see those updates because they're pretty cool. And I know a lot of you sell your tumblers like this, and it still works with the lid next to it and all of that as well.